see my reflection from this. My let's go. Good morning, nation. It's your boy Celica South. Welcome back to my vlog channel. As you can see, guys, today what's on the plan? Today I'm going to go and polish my car because I noticed there are some scratches in my car. So I hit someone up, scone freeze. Like I googled it online and I called the person and the person said, yeah, no problem, I got you. So let's go. I'm gonna show you guys some of the scratches if I can actually see it. It's a little bit raining. Over there, let me see. And yeah, by the way, the car is a little bit wet and the color is black, so you guys won't be able to see it. Like there are a little bit of scratches in the car, but today I'm gonna go get my car polished. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's gonna freeze. Let's go. As you guys can see, scone freeze, auto push to drive. Bring your car here. By the way, guys, I forgot to say, first let's still have to remove all these plastic tips in the bumper before they can like remove it. Oh my god, I think these people are laughing at me. They're laughing at me, but it's all good. It's all good. This is all plastic dip. So first gonna remove this. And what else? Bad shit. Let's go. Bad shit number 2. Number 3. Number 4, bad shit. Bad shit number 5. Wow. Let's look for more bad shit. Bad shit number 6. Damn, I got a lot of bad shit. As you guys can see also, I think someone is deliberately scratching my car. Yeah, I think that was it. We got 6 bad shit in here. 6 bad shit. Let's go. By the way, guys, I'm gonna lie to you. Little bit nervous, but I'm doing it for you guys, man. Let's go. By the way, I got in the other car inside prepared, so I'm a little bit early. It's all good. It's all good. Let's go, guys. I just arrived, and now my car is being taken care of. Let's go. Elemal. Nene. Enough. Nene. Elemal. Yes. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Finally. Let's go. Okay. I think first they're gonna wash the car. I'm a thier. Oh. De raam staat een beetje open, hè?
Dat heb ik al gezien.
Ah, oké. I think first they're watching the car, and later on we're gonna see what they're gonna do. Let's go. Ja?
Nu beginnen?
Ja, maakt niet uit. Ga maar.
We gaan de auto wassen nu.
Ja?
Ik heb hem nu ingestoken met een vetten.
Ja?
Hoeveel druk staat nu op 40 graden.
Oké.
Daarmee gaan we hem afspuiten zodat hij goed ontvet wordt.
Oké.
Daarna spuit ik hem nog een keer in. En dan gaan we hem borstelen. Halen we al het vuil weg.
Oké.
Gaan we kleien.
Ja.
Dan gaan we hem terug.
Ja?
En dan gaan we het blauwe man doen.
Let's go. Okay, what you just said, you said it's going to like remove the fat to remove all the old dirty fats. I said fat. It's going to something that's going to remove the fats. Then it's going to like wash the car with 40 degrees to remove all the old dirty. Then it's going to have to do some work. Let's go. De auto is vies, hè? I know.
Anders kom je ook niet, hè?
Just been washing it. Let's go. Hola. Now you can see the crashes over there.
En nu gaan we voor de hardnekkige vel.
Hardnekkig vel. Oké. En wat is dat?
Hardnekkige vel is, kijk, op jouw lak zitten poriën.
Ja?
Die worden gevuld
Oké.
met boomhars, asfaltteer en dergelijke.
Ja?
En dat gaan we nu eerst reinigen, zodat we hem diep glanzend voor jou als een spiegel eruit kunnen halen.
Let's go.
Dat chickies zijn dikker gewoon.
Ja, goed. Now they're using clay to remove the dirt on it. So now they're gonna dry it off. And after that they're gonna like cover it with some plastic, and then they're gonna like start polishing it. It's cool. It's already shiny, man. It's already shiny. Before. I think this is the machine I'm gonna use to and the car over there. Bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. The car is already shining, man. It's already shining. Shining.
Kijk, hier het blanke lakprobleem, hè.
Ja?
Je kan daar niet echt op grof polijsten, zeg maar. Wat je ziet is eigenlijk dat de blanke lak een beetje loslaat.
Ja?
En als ik daar overheen ga polijsten, zoals ik op de rest van de auto ga doen, dan gaat het helemaal loslaten en verwazen.
Ah, zo is dat. En die?
Dit is steenslag. Ik ga kijken of ik het even voor je kan bijtippen als ik die lak heb. Als ik dezelfde kleur heb, dan ga ik hem voor je bijtippen.
Is goed.
Gaan we dat doen?
Nou, dan hebben we nog een plastic dip. Ja. Wat is dat eigenlijk? Alcohol? Benzine?
Dit is eigenlijk een chemische mix van ethanol en nog een paar dingen.
Oké. Wat is dit is weg? Zeg je eerlijk, jullie hier zijn vriendelijk, man.
Dankjewel.
Ik zweer. Want bij andere bedrijven gaan ze moeilijk doen en zo.
Ik snap niet waarom mensen het moeilijk doen.
Ja, ik hoop jullie wat goede woorden geven en zo. Heel goed. Let's go. Wow, it takes a lot of time, man. Working on the car. We wait here for more than an hour now, and let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know when it's done because I ain't gonna film everything. I don't have time for that, but when it's done, I'm gonna like show it to you guys. But walking on my they're almost done though. They're almost done, and there's the end result. I still need to go get my wheels done because my wheels aren't the best at the moment. So, by the way, I can actually see my reflection from this. By the way, it's an old car though, I understand. Everything can just remove from just polishing it. So either they remove the paint do a plug. Let's go. Filming from this side. See. I know. This. So yeah guys, now I'm back to the place where I started from. Guys, go check them out, Schoolfreeze. Like, they do the job really good, 100%. Like, go check them out. And when you visit them or when you have some job for them to do, let them know you're from Celica, man. Let them know you're from me. I'm really gonna appreciate it. And yeah, man, I think that's gonna be the vlog for today, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, really hope you guys enjoyed. Like, show this video some love, hit the like button, share it, and definitely subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Peace.
Ja, ze kunnen ons vinden op Facebook, Instagram.
Ja?
Op Snapchat kunnen ze ons volgen.
Ja?
En volg Caleb Nossa. De man is goed bezig.
Ja, toch.
Dankjewel.
Welke naam is dit bedrijf?
Schoonfres, autopoetsbedrijf. Is ook hier te zien.
Let's go, man. Is
Follow,
goed.
like ons.